It's absolutely fucking pissing it down, guys. And check out the colours. They weren't here last time I were here. They've not half bloomed. Oh yes they have. Yeah, it is raining, but I'm not bothered because I'll be under a shelter. Got my tarp, got my tent. And when it rains, I think it's good for the mind. Or my mind anyway, because it tells me no one else is going to be here. Unless they're as fucking stupid as me, guys. You know what I mean? But yeah, here we are. Last minute decision, because I was deciding against it. Obviously with the weather. And I thought, do you know what? Fuck it, mate. I promise you guys. So I'm going to do it. And why am I walking over here? Why? Just because I'm talking. Fucking hell, guys. Right, I'll get set up, mateys. And I'll bring thee back. Right, guys, what I am going to do, because I'm sick of sleeping on the floor in that tent, I bought some shit, some cheap. Oh, I forgot my torch one in there as well. But yeah. It's meant to pop out, guys, you know what I mean? Check it out, mates. Just a little tent that'll go inside my fucking hot tent. You know what I mean? It's not too bad, to be fair. It looks shit on camera, you know, but it's alright. I'm hoping it fits inside the tent. So I'm gonna, well, I've set that up now. I'm gonna set my tent up around it. You know what I mean? Just so I don't have to squeeze it in my tent when I do set my tent up. But yeah, I'll bring you back and we'll see if it does fit. Yeah, just about fits, guys. It is pretty tight, however, you can't really tell on camera. Yeah, just got the usual foil mat, roll mat, heavy bag, sleeping bag. Got my little blow up pillow there in the corner, which I'll blow up when I can be arsed, because I cannot be arsed right now, guys. No, I fucking can't. But yeah, it is pretty snug in there. Obviously, once the doors are shut, it'll fit just nice. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jolly Bean? Let's get door shut. Yeah, the doors will come to like here. It's alright, guys. Just gives you that sense of feeling that you're inside something, which in turn will just mentally make you feel warmer. Does that make sense? Makes sense to me, guys. Like, if you look at a fire, you feel warmer, even if you're not. No, I said that wrong. If you look, well, yeah, if you look at like an electric fire at home, it's not kicking no heat out, but it's got like an orange log effect in it. It just makes you feel warm, doesn't it? I'm babbling shit now, guys. I think you know what I'm on about, though. Right, I need to go collect some woods. Oh, yes, I do. In fact, I'll shut this door now, as the rain is coming down. My hat and gloves are getting wet, but I'll put that there for now. Move back that way, matey. See, it fits fucking lovely, guys. Absolutely bloody lovely. It was up against the back wall a bit, but now that door's shut I can pull it down. Beautiful. Guys, it was £4. Do you know what I mean? I'll just come across it, I thought, for £4, give it a bash. Temu special. I know you can buy footprints for these. I will be getting one of them eventually. Yeah, see you in a bit when I've collected some fucking wood, mate. Zips at that side. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, I'm currently sat in the tent, guys. It's absolutely pissing it down, as you can hear. Oh yes. Do you hear that gunshot as well? It's not far from here at all. I've got my tarp, I've just not set it up yet. I'm gonna wait for it to slow down a bit, mateys. Yeah, I brought my tarp so I can sit under that and chill out. It is quite a squeeze to sit under my tent and chill out, so if you've got a tarp, fucking use it, mates. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We need some fucking wood, we need this rain to slow down. Yes we do. That's just my little tent peg bag. I haven't put that away yet because I need it for my tarp, don't I? So yeah. It does look pretty cosy in there, guys. Oh yes it fucking does, mates. Oh yes it does. There's my little lantern. And we've got 2 up there. 1. Fucking 2. Yeah, 1 fucking 2. But yeah, at the moment, I'm lumbered in my tent. See thee in a bit, mateys. Right, mates, my tap's set up. Got my little chair under there. I was going to lower it a bit, but I'm not doing a stealth camp, so it doesn't matter. Gives me a bit of headroom. Keeps me dry. I was going to close these sides off, but I'm going to keep them open because I've got a better view of what's coming from that way. I can see forwards, I can see down there, and same at this side, mateys. You know what I mean? Keep an eye on what's around you, guys. Well, yeah, for now I'm just going to chill out. Well, I'm going to go collect some wood then just chill out. I've got a few beers, a couple of gammons, maybe a pheasant. I'm joking, guys, I'm joking. I've got some waterproof pants. I think I might be putting them on a little bit later on. I'm actually proper knackered tonight, guys. It's only 7:30. Been bloody working today, innit? Yeah, I'll soon wake up after a couple of beers. But yeah. I'm going to collect some wood. I'll bring you back in a bit, mateys. There's a pheasant up there, guys. Can you see the little bugger? See how close he gets. We should hurry up because my phone's getting piss wet through. Just off on a little mission here, minute. I'm going to have to get back, guys, because my phone's piss wet through, mates. See, you can't even press stop, look. Stop! I think it were a pheasant anyway, guys. Cleared a little space here, I've got my little fucking burn bin, mate. Obviously I don't want it booming to burn my tar. So I've had to put it a little bit under, or the rain's just going to put it out, innit? Know what I mean, mateys? I'm not lighting it yet anyway. I'm warm enough at the minute. Warm enough. So once it drops a little bit colder, that's when I'll put my fire on, mateys. Just something nice and small, I can just keep putting little bits on. But yeah, I will keep moving this bin and putting the ashes out. Just so I don't cause no ground fires. Right, I'm going to chill out for a bit, guys. I'll bring you back later on, mate. Proper knackered, man. Just feel proper tired, guys. I need to wake the fuck up, man. I need to wake the fuck up, mates. But yeah, that'll be my little fire tonight, mateys. I don't know why my camera keeps going blurry. It's not because of rain, because it's done it when I've been here before, when it's been dry. It's this fucking place, man, honestly. This place always fucks my footage up. I either get home and some bits are missing, or sound's cut out, or it's blurry as fuck. It's proper weird. Don't seem to do it anywhere else. You know what I mean? I can hear somebody, guys. Sure I can. Nope, Bennett, don't let your mind do that. It's raining, pal. Yeah, you're gonna hear fucking sounds, mate. You're in woods, dickhead. You know what I mean? Fucking hell, mates. Right, I'm gonna chill out, charge my phone up a bit. I'll catch you in a bit, guys. See, I've cracked a beer. I've got my bigger bits at this side, my little bits at this side. And yeah. Tell you what guys, the amount of birdie sounds tonight is fucking lovely, mate. Can you hear them? It's proper nice. I could quite easily just crawl in my tent now, shut my eyes and just fall asleep. Bird sounds, rain sounds. What more can you ask for? Beautiful. I think I've been fairly lucky with fire, guys. Obviously I'm sat under my tar. The fire's slightly sat under it as well. And I don't know if you can hear, but it's absolutely fucking pissing it down, mate. But the smoke, well, the flames seem to be blowing that way, out of the tarp, but keeping me warm at the same time. So I thought, I bet it fucking blows in my tarp and chokes me out. But no, it's not. Not at the moment, anyway. But yeah, rain did stop. I popped onto the outdoors live stream for a couple of minutes, just say hello to him. First time I've ever caught one of his live streams. So yeah, hope you're having a good one, teammate. I'm currently sat under my fucking tarp, so it's pissing it down again. And guys, I'll show you a little bit later on, but about 5 minutes ago I saw a guy. He had no dog. Dressed all in black. I kept my eyes on him for a little bit and then he just fucking vanished. It wasn't a ghost, it was an actual guy. So I'm a bit on the lookout at the minute. Say I didn't have a dog, I couldn't see a dog anyway. Unless it were a black dog. And it's fucking pitch black, mate. yeah, check back in with you in a bit. Well guys, it's been about an hour and a half since my last shot. Still just sat here having my fire, watching a bit of YouTube mateys. Sticks Outdoors has uploaded a video, so I'll be checking it out. I'm absolutely fucking knackered guys. Yeah. I'll watch Sticks. Bob onto Ali's live stream for a little bit. Get my gammons and get my fucking head down guys. Oh yeah. I haven't heard or seen not of that guy that I saw earlier guys. So that's all good. Although, just up there, not that you can see. Can't remember how to get my torch out guys. Some strange noises, but because rain stopped, I think the trees were still dripping. You know what I mean? So probably that. So yeah. I'll bring you back when I'm cooking my gammons actually guys. Why the fuck not mateys? See you in a bit. Sorry for the short video. It's the only thing when you're camping, you can't really film much. Apart from you getting here, getting set up. Rambling shit for about half an hour. And then waking up in the morning. That's pretty much all you can film. Unless you've got something really good to talk about. And yeah, just have a fucking story night. And I haven't got not really good to talk about, to be fair guys. Not spectacular, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll see you at supper time. Well, it's that time guys, but you know me. Probably going to end up fucking burnt. Gonna munch this. I've got another one to cook and then I'm off to bed. Oh yes I fucking am guys. Hurry up. Fucking starving man. Are we man? Well guys, geezers. It's a bit hard to talk because my fucking torch is dying. But I'm inside my tent, Oh, it's pretty fucking cosy mate. So, I'm gonna get inside my fucking bivvy bag. And I shall see you in the morning. I want a bad night's sleep at all, guys. Buy one of these, £4 from Temu. I don't even know what I typed in to look for it. But yeah, it's alright in your little Hottent. Sam from Yorkshire Outdoors and Survival. If you haven't bought a footprint already, mate, just get one of these. Does the job. As you saw, there were some spiders and that in there then. So I'm sort of glad I were in here with a little fucking moz in it. Right, I'll pack this shit up. I thought I heard a couple of people walk through here this morning as well. But I had a little peek, I couldn't see anyone, but it looked like someone just walked straight through camp. I don't know, guys, I must have been fucking dreaming. Yes, dreaming. Yeah, I'm not going to have a bro, I'm just going to get straight off. Wrap my bivvy bag up on my fucking sleeping bag. Obviously throw straight in washing when I get home. But yeah, not a bad little camp that. That tent, guys, honestly. It made a right difference in there. Oh yes, it fucking did. It fits in just nicely. Keeps the bugs off here. Sort of divides you from sleeping on the ground. Oh yes, it does. And for £4, guys, you can't go fucking wrong, mateys. So I'm going to pack up and I'll see you on my way out. A bit breezy this morning. Breezy, breezy. I always forget to take the lights off. I'm going to put this up in the garden today and get jet wash on it because it's fucking ringing, mate. Well, that's where my sexy little tent was, guys. That's my sexy tripod that I've broke. That's where a sexy little tarp was between those two sexy trees. That's where we had a sexy little fire. Totally out, covered up. No fucking trace, mate. And yeah. Fucking broke it, haven't I? But ironically, guys, and it's fucking weird, Nikki were in charity shops over there. I didn't ask her to. She didn't even tell me she was, but she bought me a new tripod. She went, oh, you can have that in case what happens to this one. And then, that was 2 days ago. And now this is fucked. Easily fixed, like. What it means, I can be lazy and not fix it and just use my new one. Fucking ironic, isn't it, guys? Yes, it is, yes. But yeah, not a bad little night. It's my sexy little bag. That's my other sexy little bag, guys. You probably thought, how the fuck did you get all that kit in that little tiny bag? I brought that. I do have another pack on fucking order. It's just taking the absolute piss to get here. It should have been here on Tuesday. Tuesday gone. but it's not, so I'm expecting it next week. But yeah, good little camp. I'm gonna fuck off down there, and yeah, catch you on the next one, mateys. Bloody lovely night it was. Yeah, I apologise, I didn't know much filming, but I was just absolutely knackered. It pissed it down. Kept stopping, pissing it down again, stopping, pissing it down. I'll just chill down in my little tap. Watching YouTube. Yes, you fucking tube. Then I had my gammons and went to bed. Right, and I'm just rambling fucking shit now, guys. But yeah, take care, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.